Khichri is one of the most balanced vegan dish on earth. On top of that, you have the option to customize according to your palate. For this recipe, I'm simply using vegetables I had in the cupboard and prepare them before start cooking. I'm using Moshoor Dal for this khichri, but there are many other lentils you can use for your recipe. You can find them in any supermarket. I usually cook them without measuring, and it gives different taste every time. But you can follow one single recipe if you like the one too much. I'm washing the rice and dal, then ready to add all the other ingredients. Then add the garlic cloves and all the vegetables except tomatoes. The amount of vegetables you add, it's totally up to you. Same applies to the chilies, but you can take out the seeds if you don't want the heat of the chili. You can also use frozen vegetables for this khichri. You can cook this in a saucepan or in one-pot cooker, it doesn't make any difference. Then add some boiling water, or even cold water is fine, but boiling water makes the cooking faster. Add as much water to cover until the top. Now it's time to cook. On a normal saucepan you should do the same and cook with the lid on for 15 minutes. By the way, my mom gave me her recipe from back home. According to her, it's supposed to be a bit more watery, but this is what I have now. The next step is adding the spices and tomato. I'm going to fry them in mustard oil as my mom told me. Salt, turmeric, and coriander seeds. This way cooking the khichri gives maximum amount of flavor from the spices. Now mix all the spices with the rice. I'm adding some crushed chilies and fresh lime. Then it's ready to taste. Wow, believe me, every effort you put to make this recipe is worth it. So please give it a try and let me know how was yours.